In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make money with Heroqash agency. So the first step is to click the link in description, enter your full name. You'll enter your full name, then username. You can enter any unique username that you want, and then you enter your email and phone number. Make sure that it is M-Pesa phone number and username is unique. Then you click on register. So after registering, you now proceed to activating your account, and after that you log into your account. So let me log into my account so that we can see how the dashboard looks like. So after activating your account, you can log into your account and you can see I've managed to make 300 shillings and some welcome bonus. And here are some of the ways you will make money through YouTube, TikTok, ads, memes, and surveys. I have not done surveys right now. And here you can see we have on Monday surveys, question, TikTok videos on Wednesday, YouTube videos on Wednesday, Tuesday is TikTok, memes on Thursday, Friday ads, Saturday ads, agent ranking. So that's how you will make money with Heroqash. So you will copy the link that you will use, and on the dashboard here you can see how you can make money. For example, you can go ahead to let's say for example YouTube videos you can watch. You click watch and you will see the videos that you can watch here. So here you will watch the video and then claim your earnings. So you will watch this video and claim your earnings. Same case to the other ways of making money, TikTok and also ads and memes. So what about affiliate marketing? How do you make money with affiliate marketing? So let's go back into the presentation so that I can show you. So this is a legit company, as you can see, with the certificate of registration, and you can do this anywhere in the world, especially if you are in Africa. So with affiliate marketing, you will be able to earn 300 shillings by each direct referral, and level 2 you earn 100 shillings. That is the person who was referred by level 1, and in level 3 you earn 50 shillings. So that's basically how you make money with affiliate marketing, and also watching promotional videos, surveys, engaging in TikTok videos, and watching ads. So to get started, you visit the official website through the link in the description, sign up, enter your details, activate, verify your account and log in, and start making money by referring and also watching videos. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel in case you want to learn more on how to make money with Heroqash agency.